am Jari from Teachers Media. Today we are going to learn how to make a black and white photo into color one. This is a black and white. Now we made into a color picture. So in the this we need to download the one PixArt application, and I already downloaded. I selected PixArt, open it, press on plus symbol, and select a black and white photo of your choice from the gallery. So I am selecting one image, one black and white picture. I am selecting this black and white picture, and you can see you go to the tools, adjust, and 100%. You go to the temperature, make it 100%. After that, you can go to the restore. Correct? Next, you can go to the face and complete face. You color it and make it 100%. After that, same thing you can go on doing it. Similar application you can observe in the screenshot and screen recording. You can see how it is doing it continuously. You can do that. You follow the instructions and doing it similarly. Also, you can do it now. This is the way you can convert the black and white picture into the color one. Whole picture you fill it with this color, including all the thing. After that, restore. If you are getting an extra, you can go to the remove and you can remove extra part, extra color. You can what you got, and except the eyeballs also you can color it with the skin color. After that, you can remove with the remover. Like that, now I'm putting it this face skin color to the entire face. As you are seeing, you enlarge the image and fill with this skin color, including the lips also you can do it. And also the forehead, and the neck. Then
Eyeball.
eyeballs. You go to the remover. If you got any excess skin color areas, that you can remove it. You can make the eyeballs the skin color, only eyeballs. Where this that you can also, you can go to restore and you can get the skin color. If you want, you can fill the entire eyeball. After that, you can also remove that, including white portion also. You can fill it white skin color. Now you go to the remover Now you can remove the total eyeballs inside the eyeball. You can remove the skin color what you have filled. Size of the brush you can select small size so that you can get the sharpness. Just below the eye you got this, you can go to the restore and you can get the skin color. Yes, now you are getting the skin color. Like that you can go, and now you can go to the right eye. Like that, and now I am removing the remover. With the remover I am removing. To take a size of the brush should be very small one, so it will be very sharp. Now this score as we can go to the restore and you can get the skin color. Okay. Now entire face has come to the skin color. Now you fill up with the only eyeballs with the skin color. You can go to the restore and get the skin color. Okay. Now you want to change the eyes. What do you do? Put the temperature. Hmm? Go to the hue and make it. You can see the changes of the color. What color you want to select? You can select ice color. You can select it. Suppose this color is good. You can select it. When you are schooling, you can get a different colors. What color you want to select? You can select and then go to the hmm? Restore. Now you can go to restore and you can fill it that with that color. Both the eyes you can fill with that color. Suppose you are getting spreading the color outside, you can go to the remover and get the skin color. Now you want to you can go to the remover and get the skin color where this eyeball color has come. Now we want to make lips. So, hmm? HU. No, that part you can go to HU tools and adjustment HU, make it 100%. You can go to the select the color. This color is good. It is suitable for the lips. You can select. Go to the restore. Now you can select the only the lips and opacity, make it size should be very small. Now you can fit this color with your filling with the to the lips. If you are getting going the beyond the lips, you can go to the eraser and remove that spot. You can take a sharp brush. No, we are getting excess part can be removed. You could go to the remover and we are making a little bit adjustment where you got an excess color which is spreading beyond the lips. And you can, if you are removing that, you can go to the restore and get the again you get the pink color. Now the same pink color you can apply to the cheeks. So little bit pink color should be applied on the cheeks so that you can get a good glamour on the face. You get to the good softness. The when you restore means you can get to the same color. You can remove means you can removing the excess part. You can removing it. These things you should remember in your. Now we are filling up. You can go to restore. You can go to the fill up with the pink color. Now you want to remove that. You can go to the remove and remove that part. Okay, this part is over. Now we want to make it sharp. On that part we are removing it by remover. You can go to again restore. Opacity you can make it 40-50% to make it. Size also you can make it 30-40%. And your cheeks, the pink, what is the color you are applied to the lips, same color will come on the cheeks also. Little bit you apply on that automatically. That and some little bit on the chin also, on the forehead. Now it is. You can see how the brightness has come in the face. Beautiful color has come. Nobody can imagine the black and white picture has become a colorful picture, unimaginable. So if you want to smooth this, you can go to again. You can go to temperature, make it HR. Can select, make it 100%. Opacity and other things you can make it 50%. Size you can take about 25%. You adjust by making some adjustment. You can improve the softness of the face. Now it is looking very nice. The face has become so glamorous. Still, you want to make it still very soft and very fair. You can go to the beauty. You can go to the smooth. You can make it 100%. Now it is almost done. Now picture has almost come to the end of this, almost completed. Eyes and fair skin. Now we can save it to our gallery. Like that, now the picture has come to the gallery. You can save it in a WhatsApp, or you can save it in the picture gallery. Now this is the picture we got it. Now we are saving it. Now you can see the how the picture is now from the compare with the black and white picture. Now it is a beautiful, colorful picture we got it. So this is a black and white picture we have selected, and from that picture we have made into a color picture. From the black and white picture we have made into a color one. Nobody can imagine from the black and white picture we come into picture. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Like it.